Welcome to the terminal. Today, we're setting up Ornith 1.0, a completely free AI agent that you can run offline, entirely on your own local hardware. These benchmark results measure performance across several logical tasks. Here, the Ornith 9B model reaches a score of 82.4, placing it ahead of the Qwen 35B at 68.1 and the Gemma 12B at 65.8. Looking at this comparison graphic, the immediate benefits of a local sandbox become clear. Because the processing happens entirely on your machine, you eliminate API subscription costs, and zero data leaves your hardware. Before we pull the model, check your system prerequisites and make sure you have the LM Studio desktop application installed. Running models locally means taking full ownership of your workflow. We are cutting the cord to cloud providers and securing an environment that you control from top to bottom. Let's get the necessary files. Open your browser and navigate to the Hugging Face repository, then search for Ornith 1.0. Under the Files and Versions tab, you'll see many quantized formats. We need this specific file, the Q4KMGGUF format. For macOS users, this version balances high speed with manageable memory. Go ahead and download that 9.5 GB file. Once downloaded, open LM Studio. Drag the file into your local directory folder, select Ornith from the drop-down menu, and click the blue Start Server button. While the server initializes, dive into your hardware settings and maximize your GPU offload to ensure the fastest possible token generation. Next, we map this engine to our broader operating system. In your Agent OS settings menu, under Local Engine, simply paste your local host URL directly into the endpoint destination. Your local host is now active. You have successfully isolated a self-hosted AI brain on your machine, ready to accept prompts. Let's put it to work. Open your local chat workspace and input a detailed prompt. Here, we're asking Ornith to build out a habit tracker application. As you hit send, check the status indicator right above the code block. It confirms the model is thinking locally, executing the task entirely on your internal hardware. When the output completes, you can instantly preview the generated HTML. The interface renders on the right, allowing you to test the interactive checkboxes before saving the file locally. Raw AI code generation often produces errors on the first pass. This is where we utilize the sandbox's built-in self-correcting features. If a syntax error pops up in your execution logs, the local engine identifies the specific bug. Click the Fix Bugs button to initiate an automated autofix sequence where the model repairs its own code. This creates a tightly closed generation and debugging cycle. You no longer have to copy and paste code between external web browsers and your local editors. To prove this setup relies purely on your machine, watch what happens when we toggle off the Wi-Fi connection entirely. Even disconnected, the terminal continues generating code seamlessly. This zero-dependency setup allows you to code securely in strictly air-gapped corporate environments, or even while traveling. Now that a single conversational agent is running locally, we can construct multi-agent pipelines. Inside the workflow builder, drag a wire to connect the output of the Ornith model directly into the input of a secondary agent like Hermes. You can organize these specialized models using a drag-and-drop Kanban board, assigning specific local models to discrete tasks and moving them through an active processing queue. For maximum code accuracy, open the Loop Engine panel. We can configure Ornith as our primary builder and set a second local model as the judge. The judge automatically critiques the builder's work and forces continuous iterations until the code passes. By linking these specialized models through a loop engine, you create an automated workflow where local models audit and refine each other's output. This dashboard captures the setup we've achieved today: free generation, complete sandbox privacy, total offline capability, and unlimited orchestration. Securing these four pillars means you no longer rent computational power. By keeping everything on your machine, you remove external limits. To continue expanding your local development capabilities and learn how to deploy even more complex hosted architectures, subscribe to the channel.